lovelies, today we're going to be reviewing one of the Sephora birthday gifts. I have the Glam Glow treatment set, which has the Super Mud clearing treatment, which is this one, and then the Glow Star Mega Illuminating Moisturizer, which is this. So I'm going to start off with the Super Mud treatment. It says that it is to address the most common skin concerns, and that you apply a thin layer to clean skin and leave it on for 5 to 20 minutes. You can use it as a full face mask or as a spot treatment as needed. It looks like a combination between a blackhead mask and a mud mask, which is really interesting. So I think I'm going to do this as a full face mask. So I'm going to apply it with my AOA face mask applicator. Okay, so it is very minty and very warming. Not like super painful, but I think I put it too close to my eye right there, so that is starting to hurt a little bit. I'll wipe that off. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on for 5 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, so I ended up leaving this on for about 10 minutes and it really only took about 8 minutes to dry, which is really fast for this kind of face mask. It doesn't seem like it's a peel-off mask, so I'm gonna go and wash it off in the sink. So it did take a little bit of effort to get off, which is why my skin is red. And my skin doesn't really feel that moisturized, and when it says to address common skin concerns, like, that's really vague, and moisturizing is one of those common skin concerns. So I don't know, but it definitely reduced my pimples. I had one there, I had one right here, and they definitely have gone down a little bit, so that's good. Other than that, my skin feels pretty smooth, especially my forehead. That one, it feels really nice. So I think that this works quite well. I wish that they would be more specific on the packaging as to what it's supposed to do though. I wish that they wouldn't say common skin concerns and would say a clearing treatment, because common skin concerns can be dryness, redness, etc., which isn't really what this helped with. It is, however, definitely a clearing treatment in terms of acne and just like pores, so I think it does a really good job in that. I just wish that they would be more clear on the box. So now let's go into the Glam Glow Glow Starter Moisturizer and Highlighter. So I'm always a little bit worried with liquid highlighters just because sometimes they have the wrong undertones and stuff like that. Like this Trust Fund Beauty one right here, I'll show it to you. That one just does not work because my skin is so pale. However, hopefully this one will work. The Trust Fund Beauty one also really settles into your pores. I don't like that, and if you want to see a comprehensive review on it, I have it in my April Ipsy Glam bag. Anyway, so this is the Glam Glow one. Looks a little bit dark, but not too bad. There we go. So I'm going to spread it out. Okay, so this definitely is moisturizing. However, there isn't glitter in it per se, it's just a little bit shiny. But it does smell quite nice. So I'm gonna put this on my face. Just gonna squeeze some into my fingertips and then just It smells really good. Kind of like cake batter, but not cake batter. I don't know how else to describe it. I think really the highlighter part of it just comes from having moisturized skin. I don't know if that's just me, but there doesn't seem to really be any shimmer. It's just more of the glow from having dewy skin. But it does feel really nice, and my skin is super dry, and this feels so nice. So my skin does feel really good. It feels really smooth and very hydrated. So I'm gonna leave this on for the night, and then when I wake up in the morning, I'll tell you how it feels, because when I wake up, my skin has had time to absorb the moisture, and so that's how I can tell if a moisturizer is really doing its job. But right now, it feels really nice, and so far I think this would be a pretty good choice for the free birthday gift. Obviously, the other one, because it's a lipstick, is definitely a preference thing. Like for me, I've got like 20 of that color lipstick and I didn't need any more. However, again, your choice. Okay, so it is the morning after putting on my face mask, and my skin does feel pretty nice and moisturized. Both of the pimples seem to have gone down a little bit, which is good. So I think that both of these were pretty effective and would be a good choice if you're debating between which birthday gift to get.